Okay, so we have all of my things packed. This is literally not everything. So we have like hangers in this bag. We have clothes that I have to hang up. This is just like bathroom stuff. A lot of this stuff is for my old apartment. Basically, I'm taking the basics with me. So this is kind of like groceries and stuff for the weekend, and just kind of some stuff that I'm gonna like take, like my coffee maker, my tea maker thing, and just like my can openers, basic stuff. This is like plastic plates, plastic forks, plastic everything pretty much. Thought I would fill you in right now just because I'm not really sure what everything's gonna be like when I get there. But for the most part, it's 11 o'clock, probably like 11:30 right now. I did kind of put on like really simple makeup. So I am going up to my apartment in Tampa, which is probably like an hour and 45 minutes away. And then I'm going to get there, I'm gonna get my move-in keys and like all of my keys. Then we're gonna start moving in all of the stuff into my apartment. I'm not really sure if my 2 other roommates are there or not. So this is the makeup I'm gonna take with me because I do have orientation tomorrow, and that's a huge reason why I'm moving in so early. Catch my outfit change. This is my USF hoodie. It's actually my sister's. That's my dog. Hi. So this is my USF hoodie. It's actually my sister's from when she went to USF, so luckily I already have gear. So I actually just texted my roommates, and one of them is actually in the apartment, so I will get to meet her. I'm really excited to meet her because I just want to see what my roommates look like and like what the place is decorated like. This back here, that's my shoe rack, and the weather actually cleared up like a lot, so it's gonna be a nice drive. After getting lost multiple times. What's my view? Do I have a view?
Yeah, we got the road and we got a balcony to sit on.
Oh, that's our balcony. Okay, and this is my bathroom. It's actually really nice and it's big. So, but we have a desk and a vanity and a mattress. I feel like this looks like more like a house than my last apartment. Really not bad. My thing has shelves, which is really good. It's actually really good that I have shelves. So this is like everything. Now we have to unpack. I'm literally dying. I live on the 3rd floor. Kill me. Oh, I think it's over here. Okay, so this is pretty much what everything is looking like. It's still a mess, like I have to clean, but I'm probably gonna just start hanging stuff up in my closet for right now. I did put like the lights around my bed just to kind of see what it would look like, but I'm gonna like stick them on properly. My bathroom is pretty much the only thing that's like done, and I got a lamp from Walmart. We went to Walmart, so I had to get a lamp. I got this one because I don't know, I thought it was kind of cute. So I fixed some things since the last time I talked to you guys, but I cleared up my desk. In the drawer here, I just put like all of my school stuff. I like the fact that there's storage in this because I don't like having like everything out on the desk. I'm probably gonna bring my acrylic organizers and stuff for the desk. So I did end up rearranging like how my bedroom was set up, because the bed was actually in the middle, but I don't know if you guys can see this, but the AC vent literally like is in my face when the bed is in the middle. Plus I feel like it just took up a lot of space, so I just put my bed next to the wall. And I don't know if I'm gonna keep it like this or if I'm gonna like fix things around more. I'm gonna definitely get a curtain. So I actually did hang up my clothes. I have my shoe rack down there. That's like the casual side, and then there's also this rack over here, but I decided to put like more of my dressy like going out clothes on this side. I have like some stuff that has to go in the kitchen, but I'm not gonna move those to the kitchen until like a little bit later when I come back, just because I definitely don't want them in my room because it just looks so ugly, so I can't be doing that. I did organize my drawers, so this is kind of like my bras and sports bras. And then this is like, you know, everything else. So a lot of stuff actually did end up fitting in these drawers, which I like. I think if I get a TV, I'm just gonna like put it up here. But I'm gonna get a mirror to put like right here, I think. And then I need to get like some stuff for the walls because it's like definitely a little boring here. And then when I bring my filming stuff, I think I'm gonna like set up like my filming area to be like here. So we'll figure that out later. But I think for now, like, this is what we're dealing with. If you guys want to see like an updated tour, then definitely let me know. But that's pretty much it for right now. So, oh yeah, I almost forgot. I had this in my last apartment in the kitchen. It looks so much better in the nighttime, but it wraps all the way around and it goes underneath the bed too. So like when it's dark, it just looks like you can change the color. There's like so many different colors, but I had this in my last apartment. Good morning. So I just woke up. It's like 6 o'clock. I have to get dressed and then I have to eat breakfast and go to the bus. But I just wanted to show you the apartment. Okay, so I'm in my bathroom. I'm getting dressed. Basically, I'm trying to hurry up because I have to probably get out of here at like 7 and catch the bus, which my roommate told me works every like 30 minutes. So yeah, I gotta be a little quick. The only reason I'm actually getting dressed is because I know I have to take my ID picture today. I slept pretty good for the most part. It was just like really cold, or I don't know, I think it's because in my house we keep the temperature at like 70, and in here it was like 60, 65, and I was like dying last night. So I just got up and I'm about to leave the house. I think it said it takes 10 minutes to get to the bus. The bus is supposed to come in like 10 minutes. So I thought it was gonna be cold, but it's actually kind of like warm and windy. And oh my god, they have a Christmas tree in their apartment. It's so cute. So basically, I don't know where I am. I'm like at the library. But like, where's the MSC building? I don't really know. Okay, I literally know where I am because I came here one time and I dead ass remember this thing, so I'm going the right way. Also, I asked for directions, so if that helps. I just came back from orientation. Honestly, it was not that bad. I made some friends, which was really good. It was just very like, the weather was really good this morning and then it started raining and I was like, great. And then I really didn't have like that many problems. Like I thought I was gonna get lost, but I didn't. And then I took the bus, and taking the bus like to school was like not a problem, but taking the bus back took forever. And it's like, I now know like I did something so stupid that made it take like 10 times longer. Now I know what to do, but it's actually only 4 o'clock and it's already kind of getting dark outside. So I had to stop by the leasing office to turn in my unit condition form. If you guys live in like student housing, you probably have to do that form too. It's basically just like a form that you fill out in the beginning when you move in, saying like the condition of everything, if it's good, if it's bad. And then they do another unit condition form when you move out. And then I saw the gym is like pretty empty. Maybe I should go to the gym. The only thing I have to do is like edit and upload videos, which last night, like I was so bored. Because, well, not really. I think I just went to bed like super early, so I just didn't know what to do with myself, and I was too tired to like pack my stuff up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed my move-in and USF like orientation vlog, because yeah, I hope you did. This room is definitely not finished, so I will be doing like an updated college room tour and blah blah blah. Yeah, I had a really good day. I thought it was gonna take me some time to like adjust to like being here, but I already feel like I've been here for like a minute. Like nothing felt like new or strange today, so that's really good. I hope this video wasn't boring or long. You guys loved my UCF orientation and move-in vlog, so if you haven't seen that and you want to see it, you can definitely like click the link above me and you can watch that. But go Bulls, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Definitely leave requests, like college video requests, because I'm probably down to be doing that. gonna try to set up my whole like filming area here. So yeah, thanks for watching.